Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a meat grinder from Royal Catering. Judging by the size of it, it's obviously designed for commercial and professional use. As the name of the model says, it's expert model. Alright, so let me just go through all the basic parts and I'll show you how it works and what it does. Alright, so the main body is made of anodized aluminium. All the parts that come in contact with food are stainless steel, so they're really easy to clean and maintain. In order to reassemble the machine, you start with the grinding head. This has a special bolt in it. It fits in the notch right there, so you should align it with this notch, make sure it goes straight in, and then next you go to the auger. The auger fits right in there. You should align it with the gear shaft of the motor, just like that. Push it in the back, and now you have to reassemble all the cutting bits. So first you start with the first disc. It's a 15mm disc. It actually helps to form the mince. So it goes in just like that in the very back. Then you put the blade on. Just make sure always that the blade faces outwards. It only fits one way. Just align it like that. There goes the basic mince disc. There's also a notch there, so it helps aligning the discs. Then again the blade. Also make sure it faces outwards. And the last but not least is the last disc. So you can choose between a coarse grind or a very fine grind. So let's say we want a very fine grind. So you put it in and screw the collar on. Make sure it's really tight and there's no gaps between the collar and the last disc. In the set you also get a plunger or pusher that helps to push the meat into the throat of the grinding head. Alright, so let's see how it works. There's actually a very interesting safety feature. So before you can start the mechanism and can do some mincing, you have two switches. So you have to press the green button in order to get the machine started. Now you can turn it on, or while we edit you can put the reverse gear on, and this actually hits back. So if you get any blockage, if something jams in, you hit the reverse gear, it will be reversed and then you can mince it again. Alright, so once the green button is on, if something happens while you're grinding, you can shut it down just by pressing the red button. Alright, so let's throw some meat on the meat tray. Talking about the meat, always make sure you cut it down to proper size. Don't throw just the whole cow in it. I just prepared some beef chuck. It's quite sinewy piece of meat, just to show you how powerful and efficient that machine is. It works with 1100 watts, and all you need to install it is just a normal wall socket. You plug it in and you're ready to go. Just make sure you have a tray underneath it, turn it on. Alright, so that's what the machine does. As I said, it's quite powerful and very efficient. It goes through 220 kilograms of meat in an hour. Of course, it's not only to grind meat. You can grind whatever in it. Just make sure it's not frozen and there's no cartilage or bones in it. You may damage the auger and the whole mechanism. Although it should go through all kinds of meat, lentils, vegetables, and so on. Alright, in order to clean it, just as I showed you in the beginning, you disassemble all the parts that come in touch with food. You just put it in the dishwasher and give it a couple of runs. That's easy enough. Alright, so if you're looking for a meat grinder, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of those on offer. There's the Pro model and there's the hand-operated model as well. So you will definitely find the one that you need. If you order this one, however, you get it with a 3-year warranty and it will be delivered to you in a really sturdy cardboard box just like this one, so it will be really safe on its journey to your place. Also inside you will find this instruction manual. Please have a read before you start the device the first time. There's a lot of useful information on how to prepare it for its first use. There's information how to use it and how to clean and maintain it. So definitely a good read. Okay, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.